Bro, you know something I find funny? How people always are so content in the normal game, but look at them in roleplay. Take a second to look at the chat. Can I EV? What? No. Oh, see? See what I mean? I feel like everyone here is like on drugs. It's hilarious. Should I just let them know that they're currently being recorded? There's on the secret chat that I don't actually speak Korean. And like I'm bilingual. Like I'm bilingual with Spanish and English, but I'm not really fluent in Spanish yet. So I just use the bilingual keyboard for English and Korean. Okay, just so y'all know, everything you're doing is going to be put on a streaming platform, and if you are I can edit your user. Just so you, I just really want them to know that, just in case. Like, what if they're uncomfortable with it? I just want to make sure. Dang, G. Rude. Was she even talking to me? Hold on. I can't even tell if she was talking to me or not. Well, I'm trying to get Sprout. Do you have any suggestions of how to get him? But, oh, yeah. Excuse me? Oh, I must be on something, bro. I thought I saw someone. But is she? Bro, why is she bothered? But over here, she gonna come up. If she comes over here, then I know she's just trying to get. Oh, okay. Okay, are you? You can just. Are you wanting me to be in the video? You can just ask. Cause she's the channel baddie. Yes, follow this Flutter. And look at her username. Follow her now. Follow Sigma Flutter. And no, I'm not a Brainrot channel. I may speak Brainrot, though. Hold on. Are y'all okay with your platform, or would you like? Or are you okay? I can edit it out. But, you know. So I'm just want to make sure. Come. Just people can search you up and follow you around if they know you're in a video. And your username. Look at my username, please. You can. Wait, I don't know what gender they are. By the way, if you want to, come on, bro. Why did you want to? I'm just gonna edit everyone out who I don't feel like talking to. I'm just gonna automatically edit them out. Or I won't. God knows. I'm probably really lazy for today. Ugh. That's me. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna stop the video.